Welcome to my channel. Nice to have you back, kids. On today's episode, we will be exploring a really cool continent. So let's dive right to it.
Welcome back, dear friends. Sammy, can you tell our friends where we are going to today?
Hello, dear adventurers. Today we're embarking on a journey to the coldest continent on Earth. Can you guess which one it is?
We've already journeyed through Africa, Asia, Europe, Australia, and North America in our exciting adventure around the world. Do you have any idea, explorers?
That's right. We're heading to Antarctica. So bundle up, grab your imaginary snow boots and parkas, and get ready for an adventure in the most frosty and fascinating place on Earth.
Let's explore Antarctica together. Come join the fun!
Hey there, explorers! We're heading to Antarctica, a magical winter wonderland at the very bottom of our planet. This icy paradise is unlike anywhere else in the world, with vast landscapes of snow and ice as far as the eye can see.
This is Antarctica. Join Snowy and me as we explore some fascinating fun facts about this incredible continent. Did you know that Antarctica holds the title for the coldest place on Earth?
Do you know that the temperatures in Antarctica can be as low as minus 80 degrees Celsius? Minus 80 degrees Celsius is the same as 112 degrees Fahrenheit.
Minus 80 degrees Celsius is a temperature so cold that it's hard to find on Earth outside of the coldest places like Antarctica. At such temperatures, everything freezes solid, including the ground and water.
Let me tell you why Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth. Imagine our planet like a big ball. Antarctica sits all the way at the bottom, where the South Pole is. Because it's so far down, it doesn't get to soak up the sun's rays straight on like places such as Africa or Asia do. Also, Antarctica is like a giant mirror made of ice and snow. Instead of keeping the sun's warmth, it bounces most of the sunlight back into space. This bouncing off trick is called the Albedo Effect, and it's a big reason why even when the sun does shine on Antarctica, it doesn't get very warm.
Have you ever wondered how animals survive the very cold temperatures in Antarctica? Because, if you think of it, minus 80 degrees is really very cold. So cold that trees or flowers can't grow. There are no schools or supermarkets. In fact, Antarctica is the only continent with no cities. Well, animals such as penguins, whales, and seals have some really cool things which help them keep warm. They have a very thick layer of fat called blubber. Blubber acts as a very thick blanket found under their skin. It helps keep them very warm and cozy. Penguins also have very dense feathers covered in oil, and this oil protects them from getting wet during swimming.
Hey there, young adventurers. Guess what? Even though Antarctica is all wrapped up in thick blankets of snow, it's actually the biggest cold desert in the world. That's right. It's called a desert, not because it's hot and sandy, but because it hardly ever rains there, making it super dry. So next time you think of a desert, remember it doesn't always have to be hot. It can be chilly and snowy too, just like Antarctica.
Hey cool explorers! Here's a fun fact. If you were standing in Antarctica and decided to take a walk in any direction with a compass in your hand, the compass would always point towards due north, no matter which way you turn. Pretty awesome, right? It's because you're at the very bottom of the Earth, so every direction away from there is north.
Antarctica has 2 seasons, winter and summer. Winter begins in February till October. And guess what? During this time, Antarctica is covered in total darkness for many, many months. And the exact opposite happens in summer. During the summertime, the sun doesn't set for several months. Even at midnight, the sun still shines. This is called the midnight sun. Susie, can you tell us why this happens?
First of all, kids, you need to know that Earth does not stand straight in space, but it is tilted to the side. Kind of like this. In the summer, Earth leans in a way that Antarctica gets to bask in the sunlight all day and night. It's like Earth is tipping its hat saying, "Here you go, Antarctica, enjoy some sun." This is when the midnight sun happens. But as Earth moves in its big circle journey around the sun, called orbiting, it reaches a point on the other side where it leans differently. Now Antarctica turns away from the sun, and it gets hidden in the shadow. This is when it's dark all the time there.
Hi there, friends. We are back from the fantastic Antarctica. Hope you had fun learning about the coldest continent.
Can't wait to take you wonderful explorers on our very last continent. Hope you tune in as we explore South America.
Hey there, friends. Hope you learned a thing or two about the cool Antarctica. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.